Alright, thanks for watching. And here's a very neat problem that I found on Instagram. Namely, what is the sum of ith powers, but with factorial exponents? So in other words, I to the 0 factorial plus I to the 1 factorial, etc., plus I to the 100 factorial. And I promise you, it's not as bad as you think. So the trick here, turns out, is to separate it from powers up to 3 and then powers starting from 3. So that's the same thing as the sum from n from 0 to 3 of I to the n factorial plus the sum from n from 4 to 100 of I to the n factorial. So let's call both things A and B. And then we just need to calculate the sum separately. So A, what this is, it's I to the 0 factorial plus I to the 1 factorial plus I to the 2 factorial plus I to the 3 factorial. So in other words, 0 factorial is 1, so I plus I squared plus I to the 6th power. Now, I squared is minus 1, I to the 6th is also minus 1, so in the end, A is 2I minus 3. So remember that, because now we want to do B. So remember what was B is the sum from n from 4 to 100 of I to the n factorial. And the whole point is, if you're raising I to any multiple of 4, this becomes 1. So for instance, I to the 4 factorial, that is I to the 3 factorial times 4, right? Because 4 factorial is 4 times 3 factorial, and that is, remember, I to the 6 is minus 1, to the 4th power, that is 1, and then I to the 5 factorial, that is I to the 4 factorial, to the 5th power, and that's 1 to the 5th, which is 1, and by the same guise, I to the 6 factorial, that is also 1. So in the end, what is this sum? It's just the sums of 1s. So that is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus plus 1. How many times? 100 minus 4, which is 96, but then plus 1, which is 97. So that is 97 times, which is 97. So then, in the end, what is our answer? Remember, it was A plus B, and that is 2I minus 2 plus 97, and that becomes 95 plus 2I. How cool is that? And really, this to show you that some complex sums look complex, but they're not too complicated. All right, I hope you like this. If you want to see more math, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.